everybody. I just wanted to go over with you in a video tutorial what I showed you about taking your images that you create and using the converter MPEG Streamclip to make a .mov file. When you come to the classroom, always remember to go to classwork. Here's our stop motion animation assignment. So when you click the practice stop motion animation, you're going to see other student examples. And at the bottom here is a written tutorial on how to do what I'm going to show you, and also a link to the MPEG Streamclip download. This is available for Macintosh and for Windows, and it should work on almost all operating systems. The download looks like this, MPEG Streamclip, and when you download it, it'll show up in your bar if you have a Mac, or in your applications if you have a PC. So what we're going to do is we're going to click MPEG Streamclip and open it up. This is what it looks like. Obviously there's nothing in it, so we're going to have to add some things. And to do that, we're going to go up to Files, click Open Files. And we're going to have to navigate to where our files or our images are that we took, and so you know where those are so that you can find them to upload. Once you've navigated to the file, you're going to click the first one, and you'll probably find that all of your photographs are labeled consecutively by number, and that's what you see going on here. So you're going to click the top one and then hold the Shift key and click the bottom one. And what that does is select all of the images that you have taken. And you're just going to click Open. Once these have loaded into the converter, you can preview it by clicking the play button. This is only a preview, so you do need to export this clip. So in order to do that, you need to go to File, Export to QuickTime. QuickTime is your .mov file. For now, you don't really have to do anything to it. I did shoot these at a lower resolution, so all this means here is it's taking the original size of the images that you created, and mine were 640 pixels by 480 pixels, so it just defaults to whatever size that you actually shot at. And I click on Make Movie. Then it's going to ask me where I want to put this movie, and I'm going to put my movie right back into the same folder that I had before. And you may see this right here, this little hide extension checked. That happens if you're on a Macintosh. If you're on a Windows machine, this isn't going to do it. So I'm going to uncheck that, and what you'll see is that this is actually a .mov file, and that's exactly what I want. And when you retitle it, title any file, always make sure that you change the name of the file in front or to the left of the .movie or .extension. It could be a PDF, or it could be a PSD file if it's a Photoshop file, but you never want to overwrite the file extension. That's what the computer uses to know how to display it. So I'm going to call this one Fish and Bubbles with longer titles. The other step that's important is that you go to this file wherever you have it saved and click on it again, and you'll see that QuickTime converts the movie. It needs to be converted in order to be edited in iMovie. So it's very important that you do that extra step. If for some reason you bring it into iMovie and you don't see it, there are usually two reasons. One, that the images are too big, or B, that you haven't converted the clip. So there you have it. You can close it at this point, and you will see that it will put the converted in parentheses into the title. And you also want to make sure you know where that's going. So I need to make sure that I know where it's going. And I'm going to put it back in fish.background, and I'm going to click Save. And that's how you do it.